All right, you guys. So we just got back from running a kind of like a haul, right? So we went ahead and got some hardware, some bolts, nuts, and all that good stuff. We got some plumbing for the setup, and then we have some electrical work as well. So we have a lot of stuff in these bags here. I'm not too familiar with all this stuff, but just know that we went ahead and picked it up, right? As far as pricing, just for this stuff alone was around, I would say, anywhere from like $500 to $700, just depending on what exactly you're getting. So yeah, we got oil for the generator and all that good stuff. So I'm just trying to keep you guys posted step by step. So if you look at the van, we also actually cleaned it up because it was a little dirty, so we weren't sure that we vacuumed it out, gave it a good wipe down and stuff like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the same with the frame that is in the backyard here. So like I said, just trying to keep you guys updated throughout the process so you guys are following us step by step. And it's actually time to start the build and start getting stuff ready. So stay tuned and we're gonna show you guys everything else. Let's go. All right, you guys, so since this frame was sitting in the backyard of Tony's house for quite some time, it accumulated a lot of dust, a lot of dirt and leaves and stuff like that on it. So I'm just going around spraying a little bit of super clean because we're gonna go ahead and rinse it off with the pressure washer. But you guys can see, show them close-ups of how filthy and dirty it is right now compared to what we're gonna go ahead and clean it up, pressure wash it off. So they're detailing the frame that's about to get put inside the van. But one thing you guys don't know is that we actually have to build it like how it is on that cart, and then we just push everything in once it's done. So you guys are gonna see the process and everything like that. But this is just like the beginning stages. We're just trying to prep and get it ready. Usually they're clean, but like I said, mine was sitting out there for a while, so we're cleaning and detailing it right now. Super excited. I'm hyped, happy. There's too much going on right now, but just can't wait to get it done. Clean this off. Struggling, bro.
Yep.
Gotta lift it up again because you gotta unbox it right here, and then we gotta put the oil. You gotta, we gotta start it. You know,
I'm gonna drag it. Sorry. Here we go.
hey,
Now we need to unbox
you gotta work smart, man. Look
All
at
right,
this.
hey.
You gotta use this.
Record him.
You gotta use this.
Look at Tony working smart. I'm over here breaking my back.
I know.
Easy.
Oh, stop.
Oh, bro, out of all things in the world.
Is there?
No creo que entró.
No, ahí está. Good thing.
Oh my God.
You catch that?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
What in the hell? That was so random, bro. Did you see like what happened?
Nah, I've been focusing on looking at the cameras back and forth.
So
That's
I
great.
think a bee flew in the funnel as we were filling up.
Really?
Oil. Yeah.
It's here. If
It's
you
still-
wanna look
it's
at
still
it.
right there.
it's there.
Oh, dang.
Good thing done.
It didn't go in the damn
Yeah.
generator.
Oh, leave it there. Don't even worry about bringing it inside. Let me see the flow valve There you got.
So we're about to go ahead and start the flow valve. It's gonna keep the tank from overfilling. It's gonna have a certain stop point when we're filling up the water tank. That's what it looked like.
So what's going on, bro?
So if you come over here and take a look at the inside of the water tank, you can see there's a hole in there. And we're trying to just simply put this in the hole so that way we connect all the pipes and stuff like that so the water can flow through the water pump, of course, and stuff like that. So the old one that was on there was stripped, so we had to get a new one, and now we're trying to go ahead and put it in there, but we just can't seem to reach that far in the tank. So Tony's gonna see if he has something for us to make things a little easier.
There you go. Hold this right here.
Damn, that was genius. It worked in 2 seconds. Hopefully it fits. Wow.
Like a glove.
I got scared.
But you're never gonna have to touch that thing.
Mendez for what?
For nothing, but
Put it just secure.
just in case, like just if you ever want to put something into your water tank or whatever, you know. But
It's there.
I don't think so. Should be fine.
Okay. I know people like to put like windshield wipers, something like that. Para frío.
Oh, para frío, yeah.
Yeah.
But you can do it from that thing as well.
Okay.
With the pump.
Yeah. All right. So just to give you guys a quick update, so we drilled some anchor points here to make sure we strap down the vacuum, the pressure washer, and the air compressor. And now Tony is drilling smaller holes here to be able to drill bigger holes to be able to run all of our cables and stuff through underneath here, so it could be nice, neat, and organized. So if you guys might notice, but Tony thinks about everything, you guys. This is behind the scenes right here.
Con algo. Para que entre bien.
Como que
O entra solo así.
¿Está entrando?
¿Está entrando?
Pero que pegue que.
Se cae.
Yeah.
Es lo que te digo, tienes que pegarle y que quede apretado. O si es muy pequeño, pues hay que buscarte otro. Pero si queda ese, se lo ponemos.
And make sure you protect the wires so nothing gets cut up or anything.